I browned my pork shoulder, and now I'm putting it in my crock pot. I never made a pork shoulder before, so I'm making it on my own strength right now. I'm going to put some water in it, not too much, not too much, probably half a cup. Just a little bit to have in there. I'm going to put a little bit more seasoning on it. I'm not expecting it to be bland, so that's onion that I'm gonna put because I like my food a little bit, flavorful. I'm gonna put some parsley in it. I don't know if parsley goes in it, but it's going in it. I'm gonna put some garlic and pepper, and it's gonna be a healthy amount of garlic and pepper. I love seasoning in my food. And then okay, that was pepper, that was garlic, that was onion. I just wanted the basics. And then I'm going to put some paprika in it. Paprika is magic for everything. And I'm going to put vinegar in it because I know I'm not going to want it without vinegar. I like vinegar, boys and girls. So I'm going to put this on the stove, on the counter for 5 hours while I watch Nikita and listen to the fire truck come down the block. It says low 8 to something hours if you want to cook one of these, or 5 hours. So I'm going to do this one for 5 hours. I am going to, well, I was going to cut up some onion and put some onion in there, but I don't want to do that. I just want to leave this like it is. And thank you so much for watching, liking, and subscribing. You will see it later on as well. Bye-bye. Boys and girls, you're not going to believe what happened to me. I had to take me a nap. I was tired. Oh, yes, thank you. Okay, let me unplug it. And I'm kind of worried I should be shredding this. I should be shredding this in a bowl somewhere. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, I got to put that plugger back in. That plugger back in. It's not that to my liking. I would like it to shred much better than that. I want some meat on my. Woo! I want some meat with some rice. There's a big bone in it. Oh, there's a big bone in there. Okay, where the bone is, I'm going to leave it right there. But I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to leave it right there and turn it over. But I'm going to take a piece of this meat. I'm going to take some of my rice. And I only want a small piece of meat because I'm going to bed. I'm going to sleep for about an hour before. For about an hour. gravy if I don't want any. Oh, that cooked all the way through. Oh, I need some gravy. Some of this sauce on my rice. Ooh. Oh, that was seasoned. That was perfect amount of seasoning right there. They must be watching some type of game out there. You hear all of that yay and all that other stuff? Oh my gosh, what is going on out there? Must be some type of game. My rice has this fried rice seasoning. I'm not sure, but I think I purchased it from Amazon. And that's what's inside my rice. Oh, I do it. Vinegar is on point, boys and girls. This is so delicious. Ooh, this is good. Oh. Thank you so much for liking, watching, subscribing, all the whole 9 yards, boys and girls. It is 7 something at night. I've been up since 4 a.m. I need some rest. I need some rest. Thank you so much.